there are other contributing factors that I will share with you right this moment, and after I talk about that, I will tell you the quickest, easiest way to get rid of that within 24 hours. So we already talked about the hormonal changes. The estrogen will deplete and then it causes dryness, and when it's dry it's itchy. Lactating mother, if you're lactating, the hormonal imbalance tend to take place and take effect, and it contributes to itchiness. Katia Valina, we're back, we're back, we're back. Okay, good. Hello, you guys. Welcome back again. I am back again. My name is Katia Valino. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you can join our fast growing family. So today I bring you guys the itchiness, the reasons for VJ itchiness. So we have talked so much about the personally spoken so much about the smell, about the tightness, about how to keep it moist, and we haven't really touched anything about the itchiness. Itchiness. Very often when women do have some itchiness, the first thing that goes in our head is yeast infection. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on, hold on. The things you're going to hear today will shock you about the reasons why you have itchiness. It's not necessarily candida, it's not yeast infection, but one of the basic things that you're not aware of that causes itchiness down into your little flower. You'll be shocked to know that lactating mothers can have itchiness, because when you're lactating, the estrogen tends to diminish. And when you're getting older, because you're losing estrogen as well, they begin to get drier and they begin to get itchiness. So there are other contributing factors. Another strong one. Do you know that when you change the soap, your shower soap, even though you're not supposed to put soap down there, but the shower you splatter on your body, or the body foam can get just between here, and it can have some adverse effect, and your body is not used to that. It will dry up quickly down there and it begins to itch. The next one is fabric softener. Do you know that the soap you use and the fabric softener, when you change them, you might not be aware that the soap, your laundry soap or your fabric softener, is also contributing to the dryness and the itchiness. You don't want to go there. Another one is too much tight clothes. When you wear a lot of tight clothes, the frictions goes in there and they go and they stuck right in between your legs, and when the friction happens, it can also lead to excessive itchiness. The next thing is horse riding. For those of you who ride horse, or people who ride bicycle, because you're sitting on the bicycle, the friction goes right between your legs when you are driving the bicycle. Those things can also contribute to excessive itchiness. So another heavy contributing factor is using scented wipes. All the scented wipes we use to wipe when we go out there, if it's heavily scented, it can have some adverse reaction on your skin, and they begin to present you with some itchiness. Stay away from even putting, and also some people put perfume on inside their underwear. Those things are no, you don't want to go there. They will contribute to excessive itchiness. Dryness and itchiness, those two goes together. When they're dry, you can have itchiness. Yes. So let's look at the next one. So another big factor that contributes to itchiness is your sanitary pad. The kind of sanitary pad you're using can have some chemicals or materials that are used to produce things will might not be good for you, and they give you some adverse reaction, and they contribute to itchiness. Pay attention, tampons too. Tampons can also contribute to itchiness. So you must have to be very wary of what you do with your flour. Pay very attention. The next awesome thing is cotton underwears. If you don't wear cotton underwears and you wear excessive nylons and all these G strings that go right in between the tush, right? Those things can contribute to excessive dryness and itchiness. So those are the things. Don't go right away running into the drugstore to buy something thinking that you have infection. You might do more harm than doing good. So pay close attention when you tend to have all those kinds of itchiness. Ask yourself, did I change my laundry soap? Did I change my shampoo? How old am I? Am I getting through that time of the year? Am I a new mom? Those are the few things you want to consider. First of all, start with home remedy, which is taking about 2 tablespoons of, which is taking about 1 teaspoon of baking soda and putting it in water and using that to wash yourself in 48 hours. And if the itchiness persists, you might want to see your doctor. But if the and also if the itchiness comes with discharge, that's a different ball game altogether. This is when you seriously need to go and talk to your doctor and do some testing for candida and yeast infection. So guys, this cuts this for me and you guys today. Remember, if you're not yet subscribe, share the video. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. The only payment you owe me is to comment down below, share this video, leave me your thoughts and your comments. Share. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Au revoir. Bye.